Shih Tzu Maltese. Her name is Gorilita. We call her Goaty. Isn't she cute? Isn't she adorable? Huh, Goaty, girl. Okay, but this tutorial is going to be on, well, sorry girl, on how to express a dog's anal glands. Now, if you see, she has not been expressed in, we're going to put this on YouTube. She has not been expressed in over, I would say about six months. And if you see, nope, it's okay, girl, it's okay. If you see, the anal glands are a little swollen if you see 8 and 4. And what that does, normally if your dog's anal glands are swollen, you will, they have a tendency to scoot. They will develop infections. And so yes, that's what we're going to do today. We are going to express her anal glands. I don't know if you can see the 2 dots between 8 and 4. Right there. Of course, I'm going to wear a glove. I don't want the secretions to get all over me because they do have a tendency to be somewhat foul. Okay, so I'm back with this tutorial. So what we're going to do is express my Maltese, Shih Tzu Maltese anal glands. And if you see here, it's okay, girl, it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and express. Okay, here we go.
Oh, shit! Where did it go? You gotta go take a shower with your sneak on. Is that my grand? You didn't say she squirts. Okay. But you gotta go and change
Where? What dot? You want to continue this?
Yeah, it's fine. I'll do it. It's fine. I just won't stand right there.
Okay.
Oh my god. Carlos te va a matar. Stay out of the way, honey. You know what? Maybe a raincoat or something.